Hello, my name is Matthew Gauthier. I'm the on-the-water lead captain here at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. Here we're aboard the Winnie Estelle's pilot house right now. We've been working on a lot of the electrical systems setup of the vessel here. So what I've been tasked with is the planning, the drawings, the overall workup of what it's going to look like when the boat's back in the water. So we're going to have a new electrical panel installed, new chart plotter, new radar, all new navigation lights, and I've been working hand in hand with the U.S. Coast Guard, their OCMI, their marine inspector, and we've been going through all kinds of systems on the boat and working with Marine Safety Command out of Washington, getting the plans approval. With the Winnie Estelle, it being a Coast Guard inspected vessel, it requires certain regulations and certain qualifications it needs to have for the Coast Guard. So my previous job here at the Maritime Museum was working on the motor vessel Patriot, a large 65-foot turbo. I was the lead captain on that. And then back in September, they came up to me, the Maritime Museum asked me if I would sort of help out with the Winnie Estelle, planning out the systems on board, doing the Coast Guard inspection. With my previous job on the Patriot, I was in charge of all the annual inspections, doing the certifications for the boat, all the safety gear, the training. And so this is sort of a new chapter. It's sort of fun to be able to work on a project that's sort of very unique and sort of be the flagship here at the Maritime Museum. Here's what I'm doing here in my office is I'm working with computer-aided drafting design here, designing out all the systems for the boat, and then going through and submitting a detailed workup plan on how we're going to install all the systems on board, right down to nuts and bolts and wire sizes. So in this process here, we've laid out a lot of the things, but in that time of laying things out, we've changed things, we've moved things. Originally the batteries were in different spots. We had to put them into a better location for easeability. And then even the water tank, we had it one way, we had to put it the other way, just for the size of it. And so with using computer-aided drafting, we're able to move things around even more. It's not just hammers and nails and saws and planers here at the Maritime Museum. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. So you can still come check out the boat, check her out. She's out here on the hard right now. A lot of work being done. And then we'll see you, hopefully she's in the water soon here, and we'll see you on the water in 2026.